Hi, I'm Jason. If you're running a small business, you're probably spending way too much time doing repetitive tasks like replying to leads, booking appointments, sending reminders, or following up with customers. And that's exactly why so many businesses are switching to GoHighLevel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you the 5 best GoHighLevel features that can save small businesses hours every single week, even if you're a complete beginner. GoHighLevel is basically an all-in-one business platform that combines CRM, automation, email marketing, funnels, texting, calendars, and lead management into one system. And the biggest benefit, automation. Let's start with feature number 1, automated follow-ups. If we were to go over to the left-hand menu option and select automation, I'm just going to be selecting lead follow-up automation. And this is one of the biggest time-saving features inside GoHighLevel. Automated follow-ups. Most small businesses lose leads because they forget to respond quick enough. But with GoHighLevel, you can automate text messages, emails, voicemail drops, and reminders. For example, the moment someone fills out a form on your website, GoHighLevel can instantly send a text, send an email, notify your team, and even schedule follow-up reminders automatically. Instead of manually chasing leads every day, the system handles it for you 24/7. That alone can save hours every week. And to set it up is actually quite easy. And you can see how my automation works right here. So once the form is submitted, I'll send an SMS to the lead. Then I'll send a follow-up email also. And then we'll leave a schedule reminder. And we'll wait for a reply. And based on their reply, from there I'll follow up as you can see right there. And then I'll send an internal notification to my team. And to set up a workflow like this is quite easy. All you'll need to do is tap on Bill using AI, and from there you can type out the type of workflow that you want. So for example, lead follow-up automation, and you can tell the AI what you would like to happen and tap on enter, and just like that it will create your workflow for you. The second feature we'll be looking at is GoHighLevel's built-in calendar and appointment booking system. Instead of constantly messaging customers back and forth trying to find a time that works, customers can simply book directly through your calendar. And the best part is GoHighLevel automatically sends confirmation texts, reminder emails, and appointment reminders. To set this up, you'll go over to the left-hand menu option and tap on calendars for example's sake. If I were to select calendars, I'll tap on calendar settings. After you have selected calendar settings, from there you'll tap on connections. Once you have selected connections, from here you can tap on add new. After you have selected add new, you can choose to connect either your Google Calendar, Calendly, or your Outlook or iCloud calendar right there by tapping on connect. After you have done that, you're going to tap on availability, and this is where you'll be able to set up your availability or your work hours. So you'll be able to set that up right there. After you have done that, you can also tap on preferences, and from here you can edit it even further. After you have done that, you will have your full calendar, and you can edit the service menu as you can see right here by tapping on add service menu. So for example, if someone were to go onto my calendar, let me open it real quick by simply copying the link right here. If someone were to go onto my calendar right now, they'll be able to choose that service, then they'll be able to choose a date, then select a time. After they have done that, they'll fill in their first, last name, phone number, and tap on schedule meeting. You can also add the option to accept payment. After they have done that, all you'll need to do now, I've automated the rest. So once they have filled out that information, I'll go into automation, and in automation right there, once they have filled out that information right there, you will see appointment confirmation reminder, better yet. So they'll receive a confirmation email, then 24 hours before the appointment, they are going to receive a reminder email. Then an hour before the appointment, they are going to receive another reminder email and a reminder SMS. And 5 minutes before the appointment, they are going to receive a reminder email and a reminder SMS. With this, it will help to cut down on the amount of no-shows that you get, and it is also good customer service. If you would like to know how to set this up step by step, I'll be leaving a link to a video that I've created showing you how to do that. This is especially useful for dentists, gyms, consultants, salons, and service businesses. Feature number 3, Unified Inbox. Another massive time saver is the Unified Inbox. Normally, businesses have messages spread across email, Facebook, Instagram, SMS, and phone calls. That gets messy fast. But GoHighLevel pulls everything into one conversation dashboard. So instead of switching between multiple apps all day, you can manage customer communication from one place. That means faster responses, less confusion, and way less wasted time. By going over to the left-hand menu option, you'll tap on Conversations. From there, you'll be able to monitor all conversations as you can see right here. You can monitor the unread ones. You can also tap on All, and you'll be able to view conversations from all of the different platforms that you have connected. Now, feature number 4, lead tracking. Feature number 4 is the CRM and pipeline system. This helps businesses track where every lead is in the sales process. For example, new lead, contacted, booked, proposal sent, and closed customer. Instead of using spreadsheets or trying to remember everything manually, GoHighLevel visually organizes your leads for you. And you can even automate pipeline movements based on customer actions. This makes sales management much easier and more organized. By going over to the left-hand menu option, you can select opportunities. From there, you can create your own pipeline. By tapping on pipelines from the top, you will tap on create pipeline, and you'll be able to create your pipeline, giving it a name, and you can choose the different stages as you can see right there. Once you have created your pipeline, you'll select opportunities, and you'll select your pipeline from the top. After you have selected your pipeline, to add customers, you'll tap on add opportunity, and from here you can select the contact. By simply tapping right there, you'll be able to access your contact list, and you'll simply tap on create, and that's it. Now, feature number 5 is their website and funnel builder. So by going over to the left hand menu option once more, we're just going to tap on sites, and this is the 5th feature. It's their built-in funnel and website builder. A lot of businesses waste time paying for multiple tools just to build landing pages, collect leads, or create simple websites. But GoHighLevel includes all of this inside one platform. You can quickly create landing pages, lead forms, sales funnels, and booking pages without needing coding experience. This saves both time and money since everything works together in one ecosystem. So for example, you want to create a funnel, you can simply select funnels, tap on new, you'll be able to create a funnel. If you want to create a website, you can select website, and you'll be able to create a website. If you would like to start selling products, you can tap right there on stores, and you'll be able to create your own store. You can also host webinars and so on, blogs, and numerous options. If you would like to create a farm, you can do that, survey, quizzes. There are numerous options when it comes onto GoHighLevel. And recently, GoHighLevel has been adding more AI-powered tools and automation features that can help businesses respond faster and automate even more tasks. This is becoming a huge advantage for small businesses that want to scale without hiring a large team. So in conclusion, who should use GoHighLevel? GoHighLevel works especially well for agencies, local businesses, coaches, consultants, realtors, gyms, med spas, and service businesses. Basically, if your business relies on leads, appointments, or customer communication, GoHighLevel can save you a lot of time. So those are the 5 best GoHighLevel features that help small businesses save time and automate repetitive tasks. If you want to try GoHighLevel for yourself, I'll leave a link down below in the description. And if you want more videos like this about GoHighLevel, automation, lead generation, and online business tools, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.